Okay guys, so I need to find the code for my door because it doesn't want to unlock. Okay, I tried this code before. Let's try going up. No, I went down. One I-A-D. Nope. Okay. Wait, let's try S. A. Y. No, L. Now let's try S. A. I'm just going to do random code for this to unlock the car. It's connected to a... Ow! Kyle! Ow! Kyle! Okay, we have to use these. We have to try to get this. I'm just going to do it in random order because it's connected to the door. Do it like a Rubik's Cube. Do it like you're solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay, whatever it shows you guys, I have to try. Okay, what does it show you guys? Okay. What does it show you? T-E-A-G. 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 Where's J? T-E-A-G. T-E-A-G. Let's try this code. T-E-A-G, T-E-A-G. E. T. A. A. T-E-A-G. T-E-A. Where's the E? Where's the E? Come on, E, E. Where's T, 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 T? Okay, let's see. I have to put the code in right order. Okay, so let's see. See if that works. See. Not working. Okay, let's just do random order, and if it works, I'm gonna stop the video. Try S. I. F. H. Okay. Let's try fish. E. What's it? Oh, it. Let's try fish. If that does not spell fish, I have no idea what it spells. H. If that spells fish. Move, please. No, move that way. Move like that. That should say fish. Oh no. Fish. No, it didn't. Okay, let's try it. Nope.
Huh?
Wait. Yeah, let's do this. Let's get it. This was a very short video. I'm sorry, guys. Bye.